Hola, welcome back to step 2 of Step by Step Spanish. I hope you have learned your alphabets and I sincerely hope that you have also done your task. The answers of that task will be provided towards the end of this video. Moving ahead from the alphabets, today in step 2, we will do the pronunciation of the Spanish word. So the pronunciation in Spanish is called pronunciación. In Spanish, like in English, there are 5 vowels. A vowel in Spanish is called vocal. And if it is plural, it is called vocales. The 5 vowels in Spanish are A, E, O and U. Apart from these 5 vowels, all the other Spanish alphabet are called consonante if singular or consonantes if plural. We have to keep in mind that in Spanish, whatever we read, we write it, and whatever we write, we read it. Initially, whenever you try to read any Spanish alphabet, I would suggest that you break that into smaller chunks, and one chunk must contain a consonante and a vocal. I have written a few examples for you so that you can understand this concept better. For example, this is the alphabet B and this is the alphabet A. So, together, they make the sound of ba. De and A, de. Jota and E, he. L and O, lo. M and U, mu. Apart from breaking any word into smaller chunks, there are a few other things that we need to keep in mind before we try to pronounce any word in Spanish. The first rule is that the alphabet H has no sonido. No sonido means no sound. That means whenever H comes alone, it is never pronounced in the word. But you have to keep in mind that in the previous video, I also taught you another alphabet that used to be part of the Spanish alphabet list and it was called Che. So if H comes with Se in the form of Che, we indeed pronounce that. But whenever H comes alone, it is never pronounced. For example, this word ho, la. But here H comes alone, so we won't pronounce it, so it becomes Ola. Ola means hello in Spanish. But here in this combination, it comes with Se, so it becomes Che. So this is Chico. Chico means a boy. Apart from that, we have a lot of sounds like ka, ke, ki, ko and ku in Spanish. But to write these sounds or to pronounce these sounds, we do not use the alphabet ka. Instead, we use the following combination. To write ka, we use this. To write ke, we use this. To write ki, we use this. To write ko, we use this. And to write ku, we use this. Let us try to practice that with a few words that I have already written it for you. So, ka, sa. Casa, which means a house. Ko, sa. Cosa means a thing. Ki, n, se, quince means the number 15. Apart from that, we also have to keep in mind that the sound that the alphabet B and the sound that the alphabet UB makes is almost the same B. For example, bolsa, bolsa, which means bag, and baka, baka means cow. And last but not the least, on a lot of vocales, vowels in Spanish, you will find this special sign which is called a tilde or an acento. You will only find that on a vowel. You will never find that on a consonant. There are rules to put a tilde or an acento in a word, which we will do later. But whenever you find that on a particular vowel in any word, that means while you are pronouncing the word, you need to stress on that particular vowel. So, for example, this word arbol, arbol, but there is a tilde or an accent on a, so I'm going to stress on this, so it becomes arbol. Arbol means tree. Canción, but there is an accent again on o, so I will stress on that and it becomes canción, which means a song. Keeping the rules that we have learned in mind, let us try to pronounce this text that I have written for you. Please keep in mind that right now the focus is not to understand the text but to get the pronunciation right. So let us try to break every word into smaller chunks in order to pronounce it right. Text texto, texto. Ola, ola. Me llamo, llamo. Juana, Juana. Yo soy, soy. Española, española. Yo soy una estudiante, estudiante de la universidad, universidad, y vivo en Madrid, Madrid con mi familia, familia. Adios, adios. I hope you have learned your pronunciation rules properly and you're ready for your task for today, which you can find in the description of this video. The answer of your first task was, I'm starting row wise, starting with the first row, which was be, efe, ere, eme, a, se, ese, ube, ekis. Second row starts with a, ne, de, ke, e, ele, y, and pe. And the last row starts with seta, ache, khota, ne, ka, o, ku, te, and u. I hope you will do today's task wonderfully as well. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt or any problem, please feel free to write in the comment section and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson and I will see you back soon. Adios.